After the success of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, number of meme coins entered the market. But only few meme coins have a real usage and a utility in our life. And the next big step are the DEX exchanges. Because number of countries are banning some centralized exchanges and most of the traders try to trade on DEX exchanges. The best part of the project which we are going to discuss in this video, that the altcoin is not only and only available on the centralized exchanges, even this altcoin has its own DEX exchange where you can trade this altcoin. And in this video we are also going to discuss about the price prediction of this particular altcoin. Stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
Guys, before starting the video, one major thing why I love this project. Being a crypto trader and holder, we bought any coin. Let's assume we are going to buy any ABC altcoin today on 3rd of October 2021. We bought any altcoin at the price of $0.01. Then we have to wait for 1 year till 2022. But on the other hand, if we buy the SafeMars altcoin with only and only $100 on 3rd of October 2021, then every day your balance will increase. You will get some more part from the transaction fee. It means by everyday trades of the SafeMoon will help you to collect some more amount of SafeMoon. It means that, for example, you are going to buy this altcoin after this video with only and only $100. It means that even till the next year, you have the amount of more than $1,000 of the SafeMars. Basically, your balance will increase day by day. If you are going to hold this altcoin, you don't have to go for the farming, you don't have to go for the staking. Only you have to hold this altcoin in your personal wallet and you will get some more amount of altcoins. Right now this altcoin is available on the Gate.io exchange in USDT pair, and also you can trade this altcoin on the PancakeSwap exchange in BNB pair, BKEX exchange, Bitmart, Bitforex exchange. So easily you can purchase this altcoin. The best part of this altcoin that they already have their own exchange, MarsSwap, where you can easily trade this altcoin. For example, if you are going to buy this altcoin with only and only 0.25 BNB, you will get huge amount of the SafeMars. And mark my words, if you miss this train, seriously you will regret it, because this coin will be huge in near future. Now something about the project SafeMars. The SafeMars smart contract applies a 4% fee on all the transactions, any type of buy and sells. Out of this, 2% is automatically distributed to the holders without farming. This means the amount of tokens in your wallet will forever increase as people transact. This way IL is avoided altogether, and in effect you get paid for just holding the SafeMars. Here you can see buy and hold the SafeMars and you will have automatically receive more in your wallet. No need to cultivate, impale or pretend. Now on the main website of the swap, here you also have the option of the pool, and even the stake options are available on the main SafeMars crypto swap. Now something more about this project. The SafeMars smart contract also takes 2% of each transaction and automatically adds it to the liquidity pool. So it means that it is a 100% safe project. Now something special that most of the holders get terrified of, that are the whales. The team value the security of the investment funds above all. That's why they've taken the steps to ensure that SafeMars is 100% safe and technically unmanageable. The initial liquidity is locked forever for the automatically added liquidity by the smart contract, and the team burn the LP insets regularly so that technically it is not possible to remove the liquidity at any time. Now we are moving towards the main Twitter page of the SafeMars. You must have to follow them because Big news for the community and the holders of the SafeMoon. Soon the team is planning to organize some big events in which they are going to distribute a Tesla and some other gifts too. In last, if we are going to talk about the price prediction of the Safe Mars, as per my own knowledge, but you must have to do your own research before buying this altcoin. So my own prediction about this altcoin that soon, in hardly next 3 to 4 months, these at least 2 zeros will be removed. So in last, when the project Safe Mars reach with 500,000 holders, the team is going to give a huge shout out on Times Square. So be ready guys for this huge ride. It's the time for all of you to take the entry in this altcoin. Soon the team is going to plan some more things and they are going to introduce some major things on their main exchange and also in their entire project. What you think about this project, do let me know in the comment section. And also do follow them on the Twitter and also on the Telegram. Thanks a lot.